Did you know you could choose your very own custom URL and not just the one that's auto-generated? Hello and welcome back to another video. Now if you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow a YouTube channel, or push your brand out there onto the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Now as you grow your YouTube channel, you'll have features that will unlock themselves. And in this case, it's the custom channel URL. The YouTube channel URL effectively makes that long, unrememberable link into something short and sweet. It helps your branding, and I've done a video about the YouTube custom URL, and it's up here. But did you know you don't have to go with the auto-generated one? You can pick your very own from scratch. Now, before I deep dive into exactly how you change your YouTube channel URL into absolutely anything you want, I want to know, have you used the custom channel URL? What is your channel name? How long have you been creating videos? And how long did it take you to figure out that you could have your own custom channel URL to help your branding? Please leave a comment down below. Now, if you've already seen my video on how to get the custom channel URL, once again, the link is in the card, then you know what steps to go through. You know that you need 100 subscribers, you know that the account needs to be 30 days old, you need to have channel branding, you need to have your banner, so therefore YouTube knows you're serious, and then you can, activate your channel URL. But when you go to click on your custom channel URL, it's always suggesting things that are based on your channel name, right? But what if you want to use one name for your channel and one name for your URL? I had a similar issue with one of my friends recently where she uses her name on her videos, but she uses her company name on her branding. So what you need to do is, before you go to activate the custom channel URL from your channel and your status menu, you need to change your channel name for a short period of time. For that, you go up to settings, you click on the little cog, and then you click on edit on Google. This is the little page that I've also mentioned previously in a video, which is how to change your channel name. Once again, the little card will be up here. You change your channel name into what you want your custom channel URL to be. So if, in my case, this channel is named Alan Spicer YouTube Tricks and Tips. So when I got my custom channel URL, it offered me Alan YouTube Tricks and Tips, but I just wanted Alan Spicer. So I changed my name on here to just Alan Spicer, and then it offered me / Alan Spicer, and then a number or a letter or a character or just Alan Spicer. So let's say that your channel name is Alan Spicer Gaming, but you just wanted Alan Gaming. You change your name to Alan Gaming and then go back to claim your custom URL from the status page, and it will start offering you Alan Gaming options. And that's how you can kind of get your way around and name your own custom channel URL without having to use the automated system. But if you want more tricks and tips and these little tutorials, there's a little playlist up here. Go and check that out. Now, I hope that helps establish your brand and gives you that custom channel URL. For more tricks and tips, hit that subscribe button for 2 videos each and every week, and hit that notification icon for all my live streams. Go out there, start creating.